Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a super video, and this is how to make DIY slime with easiest recipe. And I'm going to use these ingredients like Fevicol mirror and baking soda, which we for some recipes, and Vim detergent, which is non-toxic detergent, and a non-toxic cup, and food coloring, and I'm using Rangila paints. And first I'm going to open it and pour the glue in this bowl. It's enough. And now I'm going to mix it. And now I'm going to add this baking soda. Oops. I'm going to use a little bit of baking soda and I'm putting it in, and now mix it gently. I think you can see it. Mix it in a good way, and I'm using only a little bit of Vim detergent because for stickiness only I'm using only for that purpose. And mix it well. It's gonna becoming sticky. Oh my god. Mix it well for a long time. Mix it fastly as possible, as fast. It's becoming like dough what we use in some pancakes like dosa, idli, something freezy stuff. Mix it, and now I'm going to add this coloring to get the slime into pink color. Mix it well. And I think I want to add a bit of glue. And some more baking soda. It's becoming into pink color. Mix it for a long time. it's becoming in slimy bag. Now I'm going to use some more baking soda, adjust it a bit. Mix it, mix it, mix it. Using some more baking soda. It's really cool and I really like this one. And even my hands become so. And thanks for watching. Please give a like, share, comment and subscribe. Bye bye.